Hi, I'm Steve with ECI Comfort. We just wrapped up an installation of a geothermal system over here in Rydal, PA. This process took place over the course of a couple weeks, from the planning phase into the geothermal drilling. We had our crews in here drilling 5 boreholes in the side yard. After that was all complete and the tie-ins were done and tested, we started the HVAC renovation on the inside. Previously, the homeowner had a fossil fuel system with the AC unit on the side of the house. By switching over to the geothermal, they're going to be seeing energy efficiency increases of up to 300 to 600%. Come on inside, let's go take a look. All right, so we're here in the basement. When we first started this project, they had a 90% gas furnace with an AC system tied in. We removed that. We installed this Climate Master air handler. It does have a backup electric heat kit. However, the primary heat source is through the geothermal loops. There's a distribution pipes that run across here, and that goes out to the loop field. We have 2 indoor systems. This is the one that handles the primary portion of the house. And then there's another 3-ton system that is upstairs in the attic space. One of the key differences between the 2 systems, this is a package unit, which means that it's the air handler and also the compressor is built within the cabinet. On the other system, it's got a split system. So the compressor is down in the basement here and the air handler is up in the attic. One of the main reasons they do it this way is it prevents excess noise up above the bedroom in the interior of the home. Additionally, as part of the scope, we did update a little bit of the ductwork here. The return duct was a little bit too small, so we wanted to clean that up, and then we also sealed the ductwork. That way we're not pulling any of the air from the basement here, and all the BTUs that are being generated for this system are being delivered to the square footage inside the home. Part of the installation, we designed in a water generator. There's 2 tanks that are involved in this process. Basically what it does is it pulls heat off of the compressors on both of the systems here in the basement, and the pipes run into this first tank, which is a storage tank. The storage tank is basically going to be pre-fed with about 85-degree water, and then that 85 feeds over into this tank. And then the electric backup will actually help it get up to the temperature that you need for hot water throughout the house. The major benefit of this is if you don't put these tanks in here, that excess heat just goes to waste. So if you're looking to maximize your efficiency off of these systems, it's a really great way to generate hot water throughout the home. We're upstairs now. The existing unit, they had a gas furnace slid inside this little knee wall closet. There's not a ton of space in here, so fitting the new unit in here and having the right duct distribution was going to be difficult. So what we decided to do is relocate this system from here to another portion of the attic here. We were able to duct everything in, so it's gonna have better airflow. And inside here, we were able to utilize that space to make sure that we had our returns connected to some of the spaces on the 2nd and 3rd floor. So this unit here is connected to the compressor that's down in the basement. One of the great things about this setup, the existing system had a line set that came up on the exterior of the home. So there was a penetration coming through the wall. We were able to utilize that to get these lines back down to the basement, and we were able to keep it behind the finished wall all the way across his basement. So if he ever wants to finish that space, he still has that the room to utilize that. So we tried to keep the space utilized for storage as much as possible. So we ran some of the ducts up and over. That way you're not running into it, risking someone stepping on them and crushing the duct and affecting the airflow. So you can hear the system's currently running. It's very quiet. One of the additional things we did to ensure that there's no vibration transferring into the finished space below, we suspended it from the roof, and underneath here we have vibration pads which isolate some of that noise. Again, the unit is very quiet, but I don't think anybody wants to hear a unit rumbling above the bedroom when they're trying to sleep. Thanks for watching today. If you need more information on geothermal and its benefits, visit us on our website, ecicomfort.com, or give us a call.